Hello children, welcome you all for your English video classes. Today in this video we are going to solve the textbook exercise of English second lesson, that's 4th standards, the story of Medusa and Athena. All of you can open in your book page number 20. All of you open your page number 20. There you can see answer these questions. First, refer to the context comprehension part. First one, answer these questions in brief. Okay. A. Who was Medusa and what did she brag about? Okay. Who was Medusa? Answer is Medusa was a young maiden who lived in a place called Athens in Greece. She was very proud of her beauty and bragged about it to everyone. Okay. This is the answer for the first one question. Then B. Where did Medusa go with her friends? Where did Medusa go with her friends? Answer is Medusa went to the Parthenon with her friends. It was a largest temple of Athena, the goddess of wisdom. C. How did goddess Athena teach Medusa a lesson? C. How did goddess Athena teach Medusa a lesson? Goddess Athena stripped Medusa of her beauty completely. She changed Medusa's face into that of Hades monster. Medusa's hair twisted and thickened to horrible snakes that hissed and fought with each other atop her head. Goddess Athena then proclaimed that any man who sees Medusa will turn into stone. Even Medusa would turn into stone if she saw her reflection. Like this, the goddess Athena taught a lesson to Medusa. Okay. Next one. See second part. What is there? Read the given extract and answer the questions with reference to context. In this part, a few lines or the paragraph of the lesson is given, and regarded to that lines the questions should be asked. Okay. Now here I wrote that also. See what is that lesson lines. See here. The Parthenon was the largest temple of Athena, the goddess of wisdom. People were grateful to. Next we will turn to the next page. Goddess Athena for inspiring them and watching over Athens. Okay. This is the context reference for your from the lesson. The questions are: who was Athena? All of you know the answer already. Okay. Athena was the goddess of wisdom. Second question: why were the people of Athena thankful to Athens thankful to Athena? I will read the question once again. Why were the people of Athens thankful to Athena? The people of Athena were thankful to Athena. The people of Athens were thankful to Athena for inspiring them and watching over them. Okay. Second one, B. The reference. For the reference lines are here. You foolish girl, you think you are prettier than I am. I doubt it. And even if it were, there is no more to life than a beauty alone. While other work, play, and learn, you do nothing but boost and admire yourself. You should have your heart in the right place. The question related to these lines were down in the black ink. Who said these words to whom? Goddess Athena said these words to Medusa. Okay. Why was Goddess Athena angry? Goddess Athena was angry because of Medusa's pride and her attitude towards beauty. Okay. Then read the statement and tick the correct answer. In the page number 20 only, see, I think you don't need my help. Then also I solved for you to help you. See, what is the first one question? Medusa lived in Athens. Medusa lived in Athens. Okay. The options are given there. London, France, Athens, Rome. Already you know Athens. Medusa lived in Athens. Okay. B. Parthenon was the largest temple of Athena, the goddess of dash, wealth, prosperity, health, wisdom. The answer you know very well. Athena was goddess of wisdom. Fourth one, wisdom is the correct answer. See, I will turn the page and we will move to the next page. Here, see. Seat 1. Medusa thought she was dash than goddess Athena. More popular, prettier, wealthier, more intelligent. What is the answer? You know, the answer is second one, prettier. Okay, then last one. D. Goddess Athena said that anyone who saw Medusa's would turn into dash, snake, monster, stone, rat. The correct answer is third one, stone. Okay. Next, here, see the activity. Read the given statement and select the correct inference. Now, they are given a line of the text lesson. They given the line of the lesson. In that, what it mean, what it refer to, what it referred, that you have to tell. Okay, the first one. But Medusa thought she would have made a better subject for the sculpture than goddess Athena. 3 options are given in your book. Here I wrote only directly answer, but you can read the option, then you can come to know which is why this is the correct one. Okay, then I will read the options also here from your textbook only. You can refer your textbooks. First one, Medusa thought goddess Athena was not beautiful. Medusa thought she was more beautiful than goddess Athena. Then goddess Athena. Yes, here children, we are solving the exercise of your book, page number 21. Read the given statements and select the correct inference. First one, but Medusa thought she would have made a better subject for the sculpture than goddess Athena. Okay, Medusa thought she was more beautiful than goddess Athena is the correct answer. Okay, and B1, she would not miss any chance to admire herself while she brushed her hair, or when she passed the bedroom window, or when she drew water for her father's house. Okay, the answer is, the options are given there. Like, Medusa looked after her father's horses. Medusa carried a mirror all the time. Medusa was obsessed with her beauty. The correct answer is third one. Medusa was obsessed with her beauty. Okay. Sixth one. People began to leave the temple as they feared what might happen if the goddess had overheard Medusa's rash remarks. Okay. The options are given here. Medusa was a short-tempered person. The people of Athens feared goddess Athena's temper. Medusa approved of Medusa's remarks. People approved of Medusa's remarks. What is the correct answer? That is second one. The people of Athens feared goddess Athena's temper. Okay. This is the textbook exercise today in this video. Okay. Remaining part and the grammar and part we will solve in the next video. Until that, watch the video carefully and try to answer yourself, and also get ready for your upcoming test. Okay children, have a nice day. Goodbye.